All right, in this project, you're going to be working on an equals and toString method for the bank account class. Make sure you've watched the lesson on this already where I went over it with a country object. So you're going to do the same methods except now in bank account. All right, so to make this work, I would load in these two files. I know we did bank account earlier, I believe, but make sure you use this one because to make it work right, we have to have like the same starting point for the code. So I would make a new package and put both of these in there. So if you can look at my clips here, I got country because that's the one we did in class. And I'll probably put that code up there for you if you want to reference it when you do this. But anyways, you want to have an equals project package and then bank account and bank account runner in there. Okay, and then from there, you just have to add the code where it says to add the code. So bank account is mostly done, right? Remember, it is actually extending object, even though it doesn't say that there. And we want to overwrite the toString method and the equals method. Okay, and if you really get stuck on these, you can look back in the country. The code I'll post out on Schoology, so you can look back how we did that on country. But you have to type the heading exactly the same as is specified in the information about object. Right, we went over that in class. I think I have it in here somewhere. Right, so here's the two method headings, and they have to be exact, and then you just want to overwrite the code in those methods in bank account. And like I said, if you really get stuck, look at how we did in country. That would probably be the best way. Once you have it done, you can go into bank account runner, and it'll have a bunch of test cases for you. All right, and all you got to do is hit go here and see if it passes. So right now, it is not passing for sure. Right, I guess it passed one of the cases kind of by default, but it's not passing most of the cases. So you got to write the toString and equals method, and then once you do that, you'll run it, and then hopefully you'll be able to pass the test cases. Okay, and so for the directions for how to write them, again, are right here in bank account. When you're done, just turn them in either out here on Schoology would be fine, or Google Drive folder would be the preferred method for doing so. All right, that's it. If you have any more technical issues with this, just let me know. That's it. Good luck.